Yeah, here we have the bonnet and the back plate off, so it's a nude Marantz 2230. So next, just let me know.
It's going.
So next, we want to determine its operational status. So we're going to go ahead and plug this thing up and hook it up to the scope and see what it does. Our input down here is going to be our auxiliary. Now let's see what she does. Here, if you look at the sine wave, we have two good looking sine waves. We have some dirt in the controls. Okay. And once again, this power button is very anemic. So we're going to have to replace that. All this is going to have to be cleaned. We'll have to disassemble this board to get in there. And then it looks like it could use some new lamps. Other than that, this piece is not in terrible condition. We will test FM next. Always check FM before you dig into it because it's often the hardest thing to fix. So next we will we'll try FM. All right, so on this model, this FM are these snap terminals. So what I've done here is I've made a little rig so I can easily hook up an FM antenna. At home, it wouldn't be so difficult, but here I have FM dipole. So to get FM reliably, I just do like that. And then we spin this around. We put this on FM. Let's see what we got. So stereo light's operational. That's pretty much where it's supposed to be. It's a little bit off. What we have here is FM needs cleaned, maybe a minor alignment, but this is not too bad. This is not bad at all. So now we can proceed to cleaning controls. We're just going to take off the faceplate because we want to be able to get behind and get this board out right here.
Hello, Stereo Lab. How may I help you?